Sanbonani football lovers, welcome to Sporty Bongs, igama lami Bongi Nkosi. This is where football and passion meet. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and to click the notification bell so that every time when I upload, you get to be notified. Danko, I'm going to do a predicted starting lineup for Kaizer Chiefs versus AmaZulu that is going to play tomorrow. Number one, obviously, Brendan Peterson. There's no doubt good he has been performing this season, so there's no need to change him. So he's gonna start as our first choice goalkeeper, and then let's go to the left back position. Left back position, obviously. Left back position. Since Ukros, it was said good he was limping, but I think good he's alright now. Kuzoba Cross go left back, bese lapho ku left center back still Inacio Miguel and Uzitha Kunika. They've been rock solid at the back. They've shown what experience does, because they are not the fastest of center backs, but they use timing most of the time to their advantage, including his partner Uzitha Kunika, go right center back ngiyosebenzisa yena. And he's one player I think in terms of a 1v1 is very very good. Awukwazi ukuthi nje uvele nje umdlule kanjalo akubukele lapho yana Uzitha Kunika. He knows ukuthi how to give you a side whereby which he knows very well which it will be easy for him to mark you. So that's why I say okay, it is good for him, because besides it is his last season playing for Kaizer Chiefs, so obviously him getting this amount of game time, it is good for him. Maybe it can help with us scoring a contract extension, but we will see. Bese siya ku right back obviously I just hope ukuthi akathintekanga kangako uSolomon, because he showed what can Hanga do to a player if given an opportunity, and he grabbed it with both hands. That's why he was able with this guy that fantastic performance. So I believe ukuthi sokhuphuka ngaye uDylan Solomon on the right back. And then go middle of the park. Middle of the park, that's where Melissa's Bambi is, because I've analyzed AmaZulu. Their strongest department when it comes to positions, it is the midfield. Lapha nabaphethe uhlangabeza kuba Mthwari. That's when izinto zabo ziba simple, because they are able ukuthi omunye abe tasked with creating, omunye abe tasked with defending. So for Kaizer Chiefs must have a solid midfielder that won't make it easy for AmaZulu to play and penetrate us. So obviously Ox as a DM, I think he has done well so far. So it is good to give him that chance to Lucas Prover to try and improve himself, try to level up his game. And go number 8, I think we have to use Ungobo again. Ungobo makes the team play. We play according to his tune. If the tempo is low, he will allow us to play with the low tempo. If the tempo is high, he allows us to play with the high tempo. So obviously those kind of things are the ones that we need to pay attention to detail to, because they help us win game. Because if he is there, we are able to retain football, and we are able with the squads to keep most of the ball position, so that we defend by attacking, not by defending, because we are losing balls cheap. So Ungobo is good with ahlale laphana in that middle of the park as a number 8. And then go attacking midfield. Attacking midfielder. I think we have to use Mdudu Shabalala up until all our players are back, laba buma injuries and laba now abasasebenzele recovery. But Mdudu Udai, I think he's gonna help us because Serena I've seen with as a starter, he's not doing justice to that job as being tasked as an attacking midfielder, but as a sub he's good. We need a game change. So Mdudu Shabalala will be good ukuthi simqalise as a starter lapha ku attacking midfielder. And then masikhuphuka again ase kuma forwards. Kuma forwards yabona so far there's one player I'm concerned about. Pulemore on that side. He needs a competition serious. IPL nje nale case yabo vele by, so that they can get that competition, because kwamanje yes, he had a good game versus Kabuskop. First half yakhona nakhona. But second half yellow drop his standard and he's not the bully mode that we know. I don't know what the lack of confidence or kwenzakalani. He's struggling to keep up with the intensity of how the Giants play. But one thing I like about him, he's a player that is able to sacrifice himself so that he can be able to team idlale. He even drops deep to try and assist defensive, especially players like Abu Cross, because you know in terms of speed he's lacking. So I will have to opt to ngimsebenzise yena laphana as a left winger uPulemoli, and the forward obviously it's uKhanyisa Mayo, and then go right hand side I think I'm going to use uPulemoli. No, go left hand side, go left wing. I think uDupreez will be a starter, and then striker sethu kuzoba uKhanyisa Mayo, because obviously he didn't play uKabuskop because of a registration issue, but he's available ku league, so he'll want to continue where he left off against iMarumo Gallants. So asimqalise. And then go right winger it's uLilepo naye kumele improve in terms of decision making, and also that he mustn't hold on to the ball too much, akwazi ukudlala ama 1-2 because singadla ngepace yakhe, just a simple 1-2 siphula window singena phakathi eboxini. We use his explosiveness. They can be able also to change flanks yena no Dupreez when the game advances. And then good bench obviously you have to have a goalkeeper, it's Ntwari, defender Aiden McCarthy, Kanyiso Shinga, and Frosler, and then we'll have players like Userino, Da Silva, and Wandile Duba. And also let me not forget who is a player that can come on also and change the game for us. I think Ucele can also be a game changer, even though the standard has dropped, but when called upon he does his best. So hopefully the responsibility that he felt was on his shoulders because he had to share with someone else. He has to continue because the squad rotation is important, because there are other games that are crucial for us with the sihlale ngama-certain players. There are other games that are crucial with the sihlale ngamanye ama-players. So this one, yeah, I think ukuthi izoba kanjalo ibench lami. So players to watch from both teams, I've managed to watch ama-games wamaZulu. So I'd say ukuthi it's uHlangabeza for amaZulu in the middle fielder. He's always a threat. Henrik Eckstein is very consistent. He's the one that is delivering ama-assist. He's taking ama-set piece wayo. And their striker Ongwenya, Uthandolethu Ongwenya, is a threat because aerially is good, and it is a team that use square balls most of the time, and also they use a direct approach with they go narrow using a pace ama-players afanayo nabo Andiswa Sithole. So those are 3 players amele siwabheke from laphana. And then for Kaizer Chiefs, I think players to watch, it's Dupree, Mayo, and Nkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo. So I don't know what do you think, but this is it for today. This is my predicted starting 11 versus AmaZulu FC. Tango.